Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and here's some fresh ideas and modern design for your own room that surely will love it. The decoration and materials are provided by Home Center. You can visit them to see on your own.
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
The accent of this design is mixed with manly and girly things that a couple will love it. And this one, I really love the view, the design, and the color. And this one, I like to make this on my own room. Love it. That's why I tried it. I tried to sit on it. It's wow, amazing. See, everything is perfect. And all the designs are perfect.
Ryan Little.
Love it.
Maybe we'll be okay.
And this one for bachelor manly design. Love it also.
Know that you're coming back home. No.
And of course, if we have bachelor design, we also have ladies design. And after these, let's go to my favorite part. I always dream to have a mini bar inside my house. And of course, behind that, you can put a swimming pool. Wow, so relaxing. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a minimal space of your apartment or a house, you can make like this. This is for the family with kids. Yeah, the design is super amazing, super relaxing, and most spacious. And you have your own vanity here. There you are. And a queen size bed. And the design is super relaxing. The color is
Okay.
blend on every details. Yeah, there you are. I love this place. I surely do this on my dream house. I hope you like it, guys. And that's the end of our video for today. And don't forget to click the like button. And goodbye, everyone.